Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Back out on the water again. Today guys, we're starting out on Lake Ontario. So we're gonna head, we're just in Mississauga right now, so on the west side of Toronto. So we're gonna head towards Toronto, check out what the skyline looks like for this evening cruise, and maybe try to see if we can catch something. I got the rod just in case, it's a nice night. Winds are somewhat light, so it should be okay out there. So let's go, let's have another adventure. All right, let's see what we can get up to. Alright guys, well, we've made it to Humber Bay, usually where we start, because with the water levels being so low, the launch here is sketchy at best. So I launched out over in Mississauga. They had a little bit better ramp there. So guys, we're just going to head into Toronto, check out the harbor, maybe see if we can make it to the bluffs today. It's a bit more rolly than I thought it would be, but at least there's not too much wind, so that's good. So nice to get back out on Lake Ontario and to get out back and exploring. I mean, all the condos. Well, I mean, that's backlit, but you get the idea. So it's turned a bit overcast and cloudy today. I thought it was going to be a bit more sunny, but hey, we're on the water. That's all that matters, guys. So let's rip it to Toronto. Let's head that way and see what we can find. Oh, slightly more bumpy than I thought it would be today. The problem that we have is we've got the waves coming from out in Lake Ontario towards the shore. The whole shoreline is that like rock protected or concrete protected shoreline, so it hits it and bounces back out, and you get like these, like that's a wave going that way, but then there's a wave coming this way, so you're all over the place. I mean, you get sometimes that you're going and all of a sudden the bottom just drops right out of you. So it does add for some fun and excitement. Alright guys, so this is again the island airport. Obviously due to COVID, not much is happening there. The ferry for it is right over here. If you're coming in this channel and you see the ferry going, you gotta let it go, it has the right of way. But you come in looking at views like this. I mean, whew, gotta love this city. Oh, see, look, there he goes. I'm jumping the gun here, but he's gonna go right there. You get to see the ferry cross. How cool is that? That's a mallard, maybe. Okay, well guys, we made it pretty much as far as I'm gonna go today, just because it's getting clouded over and the wind has kind of picked up a bit. But we made it, you know, just to the west side, east side, because I'm on the east side. I'm just made to the east side of Toronto. There's a little lagoon here. I think there might be some fish in here. I've always wanted to check it out. So that's pretty much for going. I'm gonna save the Scarborough Bluffs for another video, because you really want to see those with the sun shining on them. They look really good, and hopefully maybe I'm out there with some of you guys on a ride, so hit me up for that. But for now, let's just take it easy. I'm gonna have a little bit of a snack and see. I mean, I'm getting marks on the finder, so I'm gonna drop in here. It's about 28 feet deep right here, so let's see if there's anything home, and then guys, I'll just try and film for you the way back as well. So it's crazy to see that like all this shoreline right here is just built from old construction when the city needed to be redone. So like way back in history, the city kind of burnt down, so they put all the landfill from destroyed buildings out here to make these islands and stuff like that. So like you can see like cinder blocks in there, concrete slabs, bricks from housing and stuff like that. It's crazy. One day we'll pull up again and stop on it, but as you can see as we come out of the corner here, the skies are darkening over there, and that's the way I gotta go. Alright guys, well, we've made it back to the ramp, so thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, we're getting into more adventures now, so hope you come along with me. Hope to run into you guys out here sometime soon. So like I said, good times are coming. Summer's almost here. Ramps are opening up. It's a good day. So guys, thanks again for watching this video. Please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and all that stuff, because I really do appreciate it. Leave those comments down below. It means a lot. I love getting back to you guys. So until the next video, be safe out on the water. Peace.